Alright, today we're taking a look at another Zippo, and today's video is brought to us by Celtic Sea Salt. I really like these sea salts, this one here, and it's also brought to us by the Himalayan pink sea salt, which everybody seems to like. And this one is special because it's got the sriracha in it, and you can see by the side thermometer it's hot. And it says it's hot and spicy, great for sausage, meat, chicken, etc., etc., etc. That's a good one. And one thing about the Celtic sea salt and the Himalayan pink salt, they do not contain microplastic pieces in them like other sea salts do. These are not mined out of the ocean. So let's take a look at this Zippo today. And this one comes in the double box, the new double box. It's a genuine Zippo manufactured in Bradford, PA. And the label on this thing says Zippo design, because they can't figure out what it really looks like. And here is the inner box, and it also says Zippo design. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA. It's got the idiotic P65 warning, and it's made in Bradford, PA. Here's a first look. The normal Zippo insert. This is actually kind of a nice one. It's engraved. Some scrolling around there. That Zippo is a pretty plain. Looks like it's in gold, little gold lettering, and it's on a matte black finish with a stainless steel or just a steel insert. I like this one. And this was made in G of 21, and I believe G is July. Really good stampings. Lights up nice. That is just a Zippo design. Let's do a drop test on this thing. A lit drop test. So this passes the drop test nicely. Definitely a good one for my collection, and deserves a little cowbell. And maybe a little more cowbell. Knuckle bomb.